Russia's latest cruise missile is claimed to be increasingly difficult to detect. If true, does the world still have a way to take it down? A new development has once again sparked lively discussion among international military analysts. One of the leading defense websites, The War Zone, reported that Ukraine's military intelligence service has revealed details about Russia's latest cruise missile, known as the S8000 Banderol. The missile has drawn attention due to its unusual design and method of deployment. According to the report, the Banderol appears to be specifically designed for launch from unmanned aerial vehicles or UAV, rather than from conventional platforms such as fighter jets or ground vehicles. Even more surprising, the missile is reportedly already being actively used in the ongoing conflict in Ukraine, with information from Army recognition indicating sightings in Odesa. However, there has been no official statement from either Russia or Ukraine regarding its deployment. In its statement, Ukraine's military intelligence service not only confirmed the missile's existence, but also released several photographs believed to be visual documentation of the Banderol. This strengthens claims that Russia is indeed testing and deploying new technology on the battlefield. Interestingly, the Banderol is said to be a low-cost solution. This suggests that the missile may have been developed as an alternative to more expensive weapons, whose supplies may be dwindling due to the intensity of the conflict. Although Russia is making a concerted effort to bolster its military capacity this year, including increasing production of missiles like the Iskander, as well as tanks and Geran-2 drones, the need for affordable yet effective options remains a strategic priority. So, what are the details about the Banderol missile that Ukraine has revealed? Keep your eyes on the story. Information from Army recognition mentions that Banderol is reminiscent of the KH-101 air-launched cruise missile. However, its front section, which has a pencil-like shape, has led some analysts to visually compare it to the American AGM-158 JASSM, a long-range air-to-surface missile. Physically, the Banderol features a sleek and elongated design, measuring around 5 meters in length, with a wingspan of 2.2 meters. Its body diameter is only about 30 centimeters, giving it a slim silhouette, an attribute that supports its maneuverability and radar evasion capabilities. The missile is launched from a large UAV such as the Orion, though there are indications that launches from helicopters like the Mi-28N are also being explored, offering flexibility in attack strategies. Beneath its aerodynamic design lies a deadly force. The missile carries a warhead weighing up to 150 kilograms and can reach targets as far as 500 kilometers away, cruising at a constant speed of about 500 kilometers per hour. It is powered by the SW800 Pro A95 turbojet engine, which uses aviation kerosene, an efficient solution for long-range operations. The Banderol is not only fast and powerful, but also agile. Compared to other Russian cruise missiles like the KH-101, 3M14, 9M727, and KH-69, the Banderol excels in maneuverability. It can execute sharp turns with a smaller turning radius, making it a much more difficult target for enemy air defense systems to intercept. It's no surprise that many have begun referring to this missile as the new nightmare for enemy air defense. In addition, the missile is equipped with a CRP antenna protected by the Kamita M8 system, a device also used in the Geran-2 drone and the UMPK glide bomb kit. This protection adds another layer of security to the missile's navigation and communication systems, making it more resistant to jamming or electronic interception. Produced by Russian defense company Kronstadt JSC, the Banderol is a manifestation of Russia's ambition to develop a cost-effective yet powerful cruise missile. The combination of relatively low production costs, high explosive power, and excellent maneuverability makes the Banderol a highly strategic weapon with the potential to shift the dynamics of air-to-ground combat. Here's Orion, Russia's unmanned combat aerial vehicle capable of flying at altitudes of up to 8,000 meters and remaining airborne for a full 24 hours. Specifically designed for reconnaissance, surveillance, and precision strike missions, Orion represents an evolution in modern warfare, minimizing human presence on the front lines. Despite being unmanned, Orion is far more than a distant observer. With a payload capacity of up to 200 kilograms, this drone can carry various lethal weapons, from guided bombs to missiles and rockets. Its effectiveness has been proven in combat. In the Sumy region, Orion successfully detected and destroyed a Ukrainian armored vehicle hidden in thick brush. Meanwhile, in the Kursk conflict, Orion worked in coordination with Ka-52 attack helicopters to thwart a Ukrainian military offensive, destroying enemy vehicles on the move. The integration of the S8000 Banderol cruise missile system with the Orion UAV further enhances Russia's long-range precision strike capabilities. This combination not only extends the reach of attacks, but also introduces a strategic threat that is difficult to counter. With long-range capability and deadly precision, strikes can be launched from beyond the range of most enemy air defense systems, all without putting human operators at risk. The Orion-E emerges as one of the leading combat UAVs, equipped with the capability to carry high-precision guided weaponry. Designed for tactical strike missions, the Orion-E can transport a variety of light to medium weapon systems, all guided by advanced targeting technologies such as laser, satellite, and TV camera systems, each aimed at enhancing strike accuracy. Among its arsenal, the Orion-E can be armed with 50-kilogram guided aerial bombs like the CAB-50, as well as conventional bombs such as the FAB-100, which weigh up to 100 kilograms. In addition, this UAV is capable of carrying 50-kilogram guided missiles, including lightweight anti-tank missiles like the Viker, known for their speed and destructive power. Furthermore, the Orion-E can also be equipped with two 9M133M2 missiles or two 9M133FM3 Konkurs M missiles. These supersonic missiles feature high maneuverability and are specifically designed to destroy armored vehicles such as infantry fighting vehicles and even main battle tanks with deadly precision. Now, it's Orion's turn alongside the flagship S8000 Banderol platform to showcase its capabilities on the global military stage. Will they be formidable enough to strike fear into the front lines? That's all for today, and thanks for watching.